What makes a machine think like a human? How do they learn, adapt, and evolve? What if I told you that the technology that fascinates us could conceal even more secrets beyond our imagination? Hold on tight, because in a moment, we'll be going into great detail about artificial intelligence, a force that changes ours but hides its deepest secrets. Do you want to know everything? Get ready. In this article, we dive deep into AI and its huge potential. Today's video goes into detail about how it works, which is a question that many people have asked. So come with me on this three-part trip that will fascinate you and change your perception about it. Welcome to AI Gordon. Here we bring you current AI trends, insights, and breakthroughs. Click the subscribe button if you like this video and want to know when our next one comes out. Let's get into it. Part 1. The history of AI. To make sense of how this technology works, it is important to reflect on its beginnings. Artificial intelligence began in the 1950s when visionaries dreamed of creating machines that could reason, learn, and adapt. From Turing's test to the birth of neural networks, the journey of AI is nothing short of extraordinary. The first AI winter nearly froze progress. The fear of overpromising led to skepticism and setbacks. AI started as a dream in the minds of scientists and has evolved into a reality that touches every part of our lives, a multi-billion-dollar industry changing various fields. But how did we get here, and where are we heading next? Stay tuned to find out soon. As reported by IBM Blog in February 2024, a typical company executive learned about generative AI, a recent advancement in AI that draws from the foundations of machine learning and neural networks, from marketing materials and sensational news coverage. Using ChatGPT and text-to-image innovations like Midjourney and dalle was the only tangible experience. The corporate community now understands AI-powered solutions better. Deloitte Q1 2024, State of Generated AI in the Enterprise Survey, found that many CEOs expect rapid transformation. The truth will likely be somewhere in between. As AI's history continues to evolve, generative AI is becoming more ambitious. The next round of advances will improve domain performance and multimodal models that accept multiple data kinds. The next generation of interdisciplinary models, including proprietary models like OpenAI's GPT-4o and Google's Gemini, and open-source models like Lava, Adept, and QuenVL, can freely switch between natural language processing and computer vision tasks. Generative AI offers unique opportunities and answers to some of these questions. Part 2. The procedures. Hold your breath as we delve into the nitty-gritty of it. AI systems thrive on vast amounts of data, whether images, text, or sensor readings. This data, collected from sources like social media posts and medical records, undergoes pre-processing steps such as noise reduction, normalization, and feature extraction to transform it into a usable format. Large-scale AI models require billions of data points for effective training. Factors like problem type, model complexity, and error tolerance determine the amount of training data needed. Understanding these factors is key to estimating appropriate machine learning model needs. Talking about machine learning, this is a subfield of AI that allows computers to learn new tasks based on previously stored data without human intervention. Statistical methods can estimate requirements, and synthetic data production can reduce the amount of data needed. While there are no hard and fast rules, the typical suggestion is to have at least 10 times as many examples as features. Machine learning has numerous problems. Key amongst them are 1. Supervised learning, tasks like classification and regression that needs labeled data. 2. Unsupervised learning, tasks like clustering and dimensionality reduction that don't need labeled data but still require large volumes. Another important component of AI infrastructure is the neural networks, inspired by the human brain, and they adjust their parameters through backpropagation, optimizing predictions by minimizing errors. This process enables AI to recognize patterns akin to human cognition. For example, in facial recognition, AI models identify unique facial features with over 99% accuracy in ideal conditions. AI also excels in language translation, mapping sentences between languages with impressive precision. The fear of overpromising led to skepticism and setbacks. And where are we heading next? The contributions of early pioneers and landmark conferences set the stage for today's advancements. Today, AI is transforming healthcare, transportation, and countless other sectors. From robots to everyday applications, the future is boundless, but what if I told you? AI isn't all rainbows and unicorns. Now brace yourselves. Part 3. The dark side. AI has the potential to amplify biases, perpetuate inequality, and can be weaponized. Imagine an AI judge, fair or flawed, and the chilling prospect of lethal drones guided by algorithms. Understanding these intricacies is crucial for developing more transparent and fair systems. A recent comprehensive review highlights that a lack of transparency in AI systems can lead to unfair outcomes, especially in critical areas like hiring and parole recommendations. The call for transparency and explainability in AI is growing, with 16 major organizations emphasizing its importance to ensure fairness and accountability. But remember, convenience comes at a cost. Our privacy hangs in the balance too, and job markets tremble under its relentless march. Data privacy, job displacement, and the potential for it to be used in malicious ways are real concerns. Imagine a world where AI controls critical infrastructure or military operations. The implications are both fascinating and terrifying. The ethical implications of artificial intelligence encompass several critical concerns. AI systems can perpetuate biases found in their training data, leading to discriminatory outcomes in fields such as hiring and law enforcement. To address this, designers must use diverse data, implement bias detection processes, and ensure transparency and fairness. Privacy issues arise as AI processes vast amounts of personal data, necessitating robust protections against data breaches. Job displacement is another concern, with AI automating routine tasks and potentially affecting employment, requiring proactive reskilling of the workforce. Additionally, the prospect of superintelligent AI in the hands of foreign and domestic aggressors presents existential risks and raises significant ethical dilemmas. Balancing innovation with safety and ethical considerations is paramount. How can we balance the benefits and risks of AI? We'll delve into this complex issue next. AI surveillance is another dark side, impacting privacy and civil liberties. In healthcare, it can lead to ethical concerns regarding patient data and decision-making. It also plays a role in spreading misinformation, complicating the fight against fake news. Hence, global regulations are needed to ensure it is developed and used responsibly. As we wrap up, AI is clearly a strong force with huge promise, but it also comes with a lot of risks. There are real worries about data protection, job loss, and even how it could be used for bad things. It is very important to find a balance between this new idea and safety and moral concerns. This video was fun, but the one on the screen is even more interesting and will teach you more about the myths surrounding AI. What do you make of this topic? Let me know in the comments section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notified when our next video comes out. See the timing in our channel bio. Until then, bye for now. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.